You already know how it's going, goddamn. Another day, another dollar. Shit. You already know, goddamn, 2026 Western Star 47X. 6-speed Allison transmission. I know it ain't no stick, but I know how to drive stick. Don't get it messed up now. Let's see if somebody cut me off today. I know they be on straight bullshit. I'm shot. I might cut his ass off, but we'll see. Hold on. Wow. See, look at that Grand Cherokee. Look at him. Straight bullshit. And he riding he riding the ass. Y'all need to goddamn run these views up, man, so I can buy my own truck. Damn. I'm trying to get something like that. Look, Columbia with an end dump. Shit, I need me some, boy. Man. But yeah, y'all know I'm taking my little daily trip, same route every day. And if I had these glasses before with my other job, shit, but it's all good though. You could keep two hands on the wheel, but I've been driving since I was 21. Pretty sure I know what I'm doing. Traffic don't seem too bad right now. Look at that. Calm down, dude. God damn, that old ass Charger. That shit slow. That shit slow. Oh yeah, they put these new mirrors on the side of my my hood. I really don't like them. They look old school. I don't know why they did that. Brand new truck with them old school mirrors. They sleep. Y'all know I gotta rep my people. I ain't from Haiti, but my people, you know, my dad and my mama, they from Haiti, so I guess we say I'm a Haitian American. Shit. We all black anyway. But yeah, man. This shit so damn easy, bro. It's like sitting in the goddamn, I ain't gonna sit in no cockpit because this bit low-key big, but it's nice and cozy, comfortable. Big seats. I'm 6'1", so it's definitely comfortable, I ain't gonna lie. But you can be down there 7 foot driving this shit. How much you get paid for that load? That little inner traction right there. He gonna cut in front of me not knowing I'm just gonna speed up. Oh, that bitch sound good. Oh, never mind. Let's stop talking shit. It sounds sweet. Damn. Yeah, I should have recorded it. It was a little accident on the side. Already causing a traffic jam. By goddamn a little bit back before 524. Boy, these folk can't drive. Shit is terrible. Oh, have mercy. What the hell? Then again, that's that trucking life. Accidents every day. Motherfuckers cutting you off every day. Mind my language. I ain't trying to say a cuss all damn day. But yeah. Like I said, this truck nice though. It's smooth. Got a little Kenwood touchscreen. Stuff like that. It's sweet. Drive decent, I'd say. But yeah. That's a nice Mac Anthem right there. This light gonna take too long. I ain't even gonna count. I'm already know what it is. The 60. I'm loaded though. Probably weigh like 80,000 pounds. This how slow semis be when they load it. I ain't gonna count. But the low-key shift decent. Goddamn, being 80,000 pounds. This is Allison automatic transmission, a good transmission. They got them in diesel Duramax pickup trucks. Obviously not the same legit transmission, but you know the same brand. It may not seem like I'm going that fast, but boy, it's getting up. If I was in the stick, I'd still be back there. I still bang them hoes, I ain't gonna lie. But I mean, it's straight though, I ain't gonna lie. If I was an owner-operator though, definitely gonna stick shift. For landfill type work, automatic, because when you up in that landfill, you gotta keep pressing the clutch back and forth, and the clutch on the semi is so it's like so hard and stiff. It ain't like no car. So your knee they're probably gonna go out. Obviously not anytime soon, but when you get older, it's definitely gonna do wear and tear. This right here, you know, it's pedal and goddamn braking, that's pretty much it. And it really ain't doing too much to your body. Like I said, you know, I got comfortable seats and stuff like that. And I got the seat set low. I just like sit like that. And that's what I really want to do right now, the end dump. Gotta find me a nice little day cab, find me a good route. I already told myself if it ain't like 6 figures plus, I ain't even finna hop into it because it don't make no damn sense. So give me a little end dump trailer, man. Goddamn, and low-key don't even matter. End dump, flatbed, some. It's my own shit. I need my own shit. I came in the trucking with a plan to do it for like a couple years, and I'm already past that limit, you know, because a couple of things, obstacles came in the way. But that ain't no excuse anyway. I gotta get right. And this turn right here is always tight, so it may look like I'm finna hit the guardrail, but I really ain't. Motherfuckers be scared. They be like, oh my God, you're gonna hit me. I'm like, man, I know how to drive, dog. And it's low-key hella space. If you can't make that turn as a truck driver, you just sorry as hell. That's my goddamn lead mechanic right there. Well, not my lead mechanic, but the lead mechanic for my job. Who that is right down the side of the road? Who that is right there? Who the hell that is? That's our dog for. Man, too late. Yeah, like I said, man, every day a new day to wake up, get some bread. Don't be sitting in bed, broke or stagnant. That's the worst thing you can do. Get you some money, acquire you a new skill. I mean, you know, the internet free. You know, where you broke in this, you know, in today's society, man. I mean, it's just too much stuff to do. If you ain't doing nothing, do something, goddamn shit.